And to our fellows at home who are thinking, why should I come? Why should I join AWIR? Why should I come in person? Here's what I would say. I know for myself when I think, well, there's this virtual offering, I'm going to go back later and I'm going to watch this offline after the conference is done. It is not the same. I either don't do it or I will only watch an hour or two of the conference. Whereas when you set aside the time to actually go sit, listen, not only do you get the benefit of the social networking and the mentorship, but you really do make the time for yourself to learn that content. So I think you will get more out of the educational experience coming in person. Plus, you get the benefit of the hands-on workshops, whether this year, again, nail fold capillaroscopy, ultrasound. We're going to be offering different workshops next year. You'll have multiple different choices or options to choose from. Plus, we will sponsor you to come. So this is your registration, your room and board. This is all on AWIR because we want you here and part of this community. We hope this becomes a lifelong membership for you. So we're asking you to join. Our arms are open. We would love to have you here.